What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, boys. We've got all kinds of stuff going on today. We got two of the white GTs back here. No, if you're new to the channel, neither of these are Pop's car. This is the Brian's car. We did the full top end kit, exhaust, rebuilt transmission, all of that. He's having some issues. We're gonna try and get that sorted out. We'll get into that in a minute. And then of course we got Renfro's Turbo GT, which I think we're gonna get that one out today. Make a few more pulls in it. But again, no, this is not Pop's car. This is it's close. It's very close. If you go back, guys, we did the entire trick flow top end kit, converted it to mass air, put a rebuilt transmission in it, fresh exhaust, all that stuff. The whole build is here on the channel. But this is a super fun little car. The issue that we've got right now is he's getting like lean pops, and it's just not running all that great. We checked the timing was off a little bit, took it out for a little drive, and nothing. So this is going to be indicative of, you know, if you've got a heads cam, you know, car, you got some issues, you know, good place to start. So obviously, you know, we checked the timing, got the timing set, but it's still just not running all that great. Getting lean pops and stuff. So we put the fuel pressure gauge on it, and fuel pressure is low. It is there, but it's low. So he's running to get some gas. We're gonna put some gas in it and see. We've had issues before of the little S hose inside the tank popping a hole in it and giving you kind of sort of pressure, kind of sort of. You know, it runs okay if the gas is full. My car actually did that. But so we're gonna put some gas in this thing, take it down the road, just see if it's any better. If not, we'll drop the tank, put a new pump in it. Maybe the pump's weak, but this is gonna be a good one for just doing some basic troubleshooting on your pushrod 5.0. All right. Yeah. Oh, I think we do need to do a few more burnouts before before we give it back. Yeah. And I guess we need to show off Steve's Fab Shop got the subframe connectors in. And for all you yeah, we got the actually Steve's Fab Shop got the subframe connectors all in, looking good. Steve, you're the man. Steve, where you at, Steve?
I'm right here.
Okay. But quick underside look, boys. It does have a cutout. That's what we should do, is take the cutout out. Yeah, and take it down the road. Yeah. Okay, guys. We'll see how the day goes. I think we may pull that out and go rip it. Just make sure it's good before we give it back to Brian. But wrapping some things up here. Got the fender liner back in. Gonna throw the front bumper cover on this bad boy. Is gonna be ready to rock. All right, so we got some fuel. So hopefully that'll do it. I think your key's on too, Brian. So now let's see. She's got lots of fuel in it. Don't sound no better, huh? No. Kill it.
Yeah, we'll drop it. Drop the tank and see what's going on.
Look at there, boys. Yeah. She's out. You think it's gonna whistle?
That's gonna make a little more noise.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna make some noise.
A lot noisier than going through two flow masters.
Yeah, not exactly ideal for turbo exhaust. This thing ought to roll. All right, see if we can hear some turbo noises. Sounds good. All right, guys, so we're about to get this thing out and see if it pulls a little harder, which it ought to. The filter's off and the cutout's open. That turbo ought to be breathing quite a bit better. It definitely better with the cutout open and the filter off. Yeah, you can really hear the turbo. All right, so I guess I'm gonna pull this, drop this tank, see what's going on inside. We got no fuel pressure. Yeah, that thing's already new, so fuel filter should be fine. I guess we'll yank it out and see what we got.
Turbo, you need that turbo. Okay.
3-valve power, man.
Okay.
3-valve power, what?
He said me just before he turned around, had both hands on the wheel. I said, look at it.
Yeah, like to get away from it.
That's it. Look at that hose.
Yeah, it looks like shit.
That's done.
I don't think that's a fuel hose. It's like just soft.
Yeah, that's not.
That's probably gonna take care of it.
That's it.
It's like doo doo.
Yeah, all the sheathings off of it.
Yeah, it's like doo doo.
Man, I said she's throwing all this stuff out of the room.
It's just melted.
Look at that. That's not even fuel line, is it?
I don't think so. This is
Yep.
garbage.
Yep, that's it.
Garbage.
Yep. There it is.
Been there, done that.
Put some decent line on there. Should be good. 35.
It went up.
Look at that.
Yep.
That's it. River up. Yeah. Fixed. Yeah, I was wondering because it didn't really move at all that first time. It came unhooked, you know. That's what she should be doing. Yeah. Check the hose in your tank. That was absolutely not the sheriff. Yeah, this thing runs great. Definitely fixed. This thing feels really crisp. Yeah, she's good. Makes good power. Alright boys, so there you go. Got this one fixed up. Just a little hose inside the tank. I'm telling you guys, if you have a weird issue with your fuel system, check that ass hose inside your tank right there between the pump and the units. So no money to fix this one. Just drop the tank out, replace the hose, and she's good to go. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. And see, I did a lot of push rod stuff. So all you guys that hate on me for the coyote stuff, push rod stuff. Later, guys.